Good morning, students. Hope that you people are preparing at home, studying well. So today we shall discuss the next unit number 4, named Pathol Babu Film Star. It's a chapter written by Satyajit Ray. He was a Bengali filmmaker. He wrote the story Pathol Babu Film Star in Bengali. In this story, Pathol Babu, a 52-year-old man, got an offer to play a short role as a pedestrian in a film. He was an artist, unnoticed. He was very talented. His will to act was intact, yet he hadn't had an opportunity to show forth his capability. So now, with this introduction, let us get into the chapter. I shall read through the chapter. You may listen to it and learn it. Pathol, are you in? Nishikant Babu, Pathol Babu's neighbor, called from outside the door. Okay, all right. In the opening of the story itself, two characters are mentioned. Pathol Babu, the main character, and the another one was Pathol Babu's neighbor named Nishikanto Babu. So Nishikanto Babu reached the house of Pathol Babu and called Pathol's name and asked whether he was inside. Oh yes, said Pathol Babu, just a minute. So Pathol Babu told that he was in and asked Nishikanto to wait for a minute. Pathol Babu came out with a shopping bag. What brings you here so early in the morning? I am leaving for the market right now. So after a minute, Pathol Babu came out of the house with a shopping bag in his hand and seeing Nishikanto early in the morning, he asked why he was there at an early morning and told Nishikanto Babu that he wanted to go to the market. Listen, what time will you be back? So Nishikanto Babu asked Pathol Babu at what o'clock he will come back from the market. In an hour or so. Why? So Pathol Babu replied that he would come back after an hour. And again Pathol asked Nishikanto why he asked so. I hope you will stay in after that. I met my youngest brother-in-law yesterday. He is in the film business. He said he was looking for an actor for a scene in a film they are now shooting. The way he described the character, 50-ish, short, bald-headed, it reminded me of you. So I gave him your address and asked him to get in touch with you directly. I hope you won't turn him away. They will pay you, of course. So when Pathol Babu asked why he asked all those questions, Nishikanto Babu replied that he had met his youngest brother-in-law the previous day. Nishikanto Babu's brother-in-law was in the film industry. So his brother-in-law was looking for an actor for a scene in his film, and his brother-in-law was in need of an actor who is at his 50s, rather short and bald-headed. So okay, all right. So when the brother-in-law told Nishikanto about the character he was looking for, all of a sudden Nishikanto got reminded of Pathol Babu. So he gave the address of Pathol Babu to his brother-in-law, so that Pathol Babu would get a chance And also Nishikanta told Patol Babu that they would give him the payment if he acted in the film. Patol Babu hadn't expected such news early in the morning that an offer to act in a film could come to him as was beyond his wildest dreams. So that was an unexpected piece of news for Patol Babu, because he had never hoped or expected that he would get an opportunity to act in a film. So that was really a surprising news for him. I really don't see why I should say no, but let's talk to your brother-in-law first and find out some details. What's his name? So Patol Babu replied that okay, all right, that he would be he was ready. Patol Babu said that he was ready to act in the film, and he really told Nishikant Babu that he would talk to his brother-in-law all about the film and its details. And further, Patol Babu asked Nishikanto what was his brother-in-law's name. Naresh, that he said he would be here around 10:30. So when Patol wanted to know the name of Nishikant's brother-in-law, Nishikanto Babu said that his brother-in-law's name was Naresh, and told that his brother-in-law would be at his house by 10:30. In the market, Patol Babu mixed up his wife's orders and bought red chilies instead of onion seeds, and quite forgot about the brinjols. This was not surprising. So when he reached the market, okay, all right, early in the morning itself, he received a surprising offer for him to act in a film. That was quite embarrassing and surprising for Patol Babu. So when he reached the market, okay, all the list that he was given with to buy, or he got confused or mixed up the things that he was supposed to buy. Okay, all right, because he was really excited. Out of his excitement, this happened. At one time, Patol Babu had a real passion for the stage. He had a job in the old railway factory, but he was always in demand for amateur theatricals put up by the club in the neighborhood. His name had appeared in handbills on countless occasions. Indeed, there was a time when people bought tickets especially to see him. Okay, all right. So actually, right from the beginning, as a young man, or even his youth itself, Patol had the passion or ambition to act or perform on the stage. And of course, he was working in an old railway factory, yet he always wished for the local plays put up by the clubs in his neighborhood, because he wanted to act. He had the passion, he had the ambition or aim to act on the stage. Though he was working in the railway factory, yet he wanted to act in the local plays of the clubs nearby, or even he acted in it, and as a result his names were there. His names were printed on the notices too, on many times. And even, okay, all right, he was really a talented actor that people really wished to watch the plays or the dramas just because Patol Babu was acting. So there was a time such a way the sailing had been smooth for some years when in 1943 a sudden cutback in his office due to the war cost him his nine-year-old job. Ever since then, Patul Babu had struggled to make a living. He had tried every means of earning a livelihood without ever succeeding in improving his lot. Acting had become a thing of the remote past, something which he recalled at times with a sigh. So, in the initial days of his acting, he had greater opportunities because already he had the job in the railway factory, or even he found the occasions or the time to play in the film, in the sorry, not in the film, in the local plays or local dramas. But actually, the things had a change or a sudden fall in the sense due to the Second World War, particularly in 1943. A lot of factories were closed, many employees lost their job, and Patel was also a victim of the same, that he lost the job there in the old railway factory. He had been working there for 9 years, yet he lost his job. After that, he really struggled in his life so as to get the earnings. He tried on a lot of works, but he couldn't become successful in any of the opportunities he tried with. And also, really, he was struggling throughout his life till then. And in the meanwhile, already after losing the job and all, or after the loss of the job, he really was struggling, and acting in the film or in the play or in the drama was really a thing that he never wanted to do ahead, since he was struggling to find a livelihood for himself and to protect his family. So often acting was something that he had left out of his left out of his life. Naresh Dutt turned up 2 hours late at 12:30. Patul Babu had given up hope and was about to go for his bath when there was a knock on the front door. Come in, sir, to sit down. So actually, alright, Nishikanta Babu had told Patul that his brother-in-law Naresh would come to him at around 10:30, but he was late for 2 hours. So Naresh came to Patul Babu's house at around 12:30. By that time, alright, since Naresh was getting late to come, Patul had thought that he wouldn't come, thinking so he was about to have his bath. So by that time he could hear a knock on the door. So by that time Naresh came and he opened the door for Naresh and welcomed him in and asked him to sit down. No thanks, I expect Nishikanta Babu told you about me. So he really told that he didn't want to sit. Instead, he introduced himself and asked Patul whether his brother-in-law Nishikanta Babu told anything about him. Oh yes, I must say I was quite taken aback. You think I will be all right for the part? Patul Babu asked with great diffidence. Okay, all right. So when Naresh asked Patul whether his brother-in-law Nishikanto told anything about him, Pathol told that that he had already introduced him to Pathol, and he told Naresh that he was really surprised because and further he asked Naresh whether he would be fit for the part in the film. So Naresh Dutt cast an appraising look at Pathol Babu and gave a nod. Oh yes, he said, there is no doubt about that. By the way, the shooting takes place tomorrow morning. So when Pathol asked Naresh whether he would be fit for the role in the film, Naresh had a deep look on Pathol Babu and told that he was quite fit for. So saying that all right, that there was no doubt about his part, he would be quite okay for the role in the film, and told Pathol that shooting of the film would take place or would start early in the morning tomorrow, the next day. Tomorrow, Sunday, yes, and not in the studio, Faraday House near the crossing of Bentinck Street and Mission Row. It's a 7-story office building. The shooting takes place outside the office in front of the entrance. We will expect you there at 8:30 sharp. You will be through by midday. Okay, all right. So then Naresh told Nishikant, when Naresh told Pathol that the shooting would begin the next day, he wanted to confirm whether it was on Sunday. So okay, all right. To that, Naresh replied that shooting would take place the next day, not in the studio. Instead, it would take place nearby the Faraday House, and it was a 7-story building. Even in front of the entrance of the Faraday House, the shooting would take place, and Naresh wanted Pathol to be there at the shooting place exactly at 8:30, and or told Pathol that he would be able to finish up his acting by noon. Naresh Dutt prepared to leave, but you haven't told me about the part, said Pathol Babu anxiously. So after saying all these things, Naresh was about to go out of Pathol's house. Meanwhile, Pathol asked Naresh or told Naresh that he hadn't told anything about the role that he had to act in the film. Was yes, sorry. The part is that of a pedestrian, an absent-minded, short-tempered pedestrian. So okay, all right. So Naresh explained it to Pathol that the role that Pathol had to play, or Pathol should play in the film, was that of a pedestrian. Pedestrian means the one who walks on the pavement. So Naresh wanted Pathol to be a pedestrian in the film, and also the pedestrian should be an absent-minded, short-tempered man. So Naresh felt that Pathol was quite fitting for the role. Pathol Babu suddenly thought of another crucial question. I hope the part calls for some dialogue. So okay, all right. So by the time Pathol wanted to know more about the role he should play, or he needed to know, or he wanted to know the details of the role. So he asked whether he had any dialogues to speak in the role. Of course, there is a dialogue. Of course, there is dialogue and you will be given your lines as soon as you show up tomorrow. So Naresh told that definitely that there is or there was the dialogue, and he would get the dialogue, the written dialogue when he would reach the shooting scene the next day. Naresh Dutt left, and 52-year-old Pathol Babu did a little skip. He felt as if he had been born again. So, okay, all right, Naresh, after explaining all the details of the character, Naresh went out, or he left the house of Pathol Babu. In the meanwhile, Pathol Babu, who was a 52-year-old man, got really excited. He really felt that he had got the right opportunity. He got reminded of, or his passion for acting could get a go. The next day, Pathol Babu arrived at Faraday House on time. There was a big crowd outside the building. Pathol Babu suddenly felt a little nervous. With a slight tremor in his heart, he advanced towards the entrance. So, as told by Naresh, Pathol Babu reached Faraday House the next day morning itself on time. He reached there. So when he reached there, he could see that that the entire area was totally crowded with people. Usually, when the film shooting takes place or film actors come in and around, people would be crowding. So the same thing happened there in the shooting place too. All the area was totally crowded, and seeing the crowd, Pathol really felt a little nervousness. So with that nervousness in his mind, he walked towards the entrance. Okay, students, please stop for the day. We will continue in the next part. Bye.